हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। दिस इज रिद्धि। सो थंबनेल देख के तो आप लोगों को पता चल गया होगा कि आज का हमारा वीडियो किस पे है। बट लेट मी टेल यू दैट दिस इज VMware एक्सपीरियंस 2.0। वाई आई एम सेइंग सो बिकॉज इससे पहले मैंने अपना VMware का इंटरव्यू एक्सपीरियंस आप लोग के साथ शेयर किया था फॉर द बैच 1920। और अगर आप लोगों ने नहीं देखा है तो लिंक मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दूंगी, आप जाके वहां चेक कर लेना और ऊपर आई बटन में भी आ रहा होगा। Now I have a junior with me for batch 2020 to 2021. He recently got placed into VMware, so we will go and see what he speaks. Hi Tushar.
Hi, Riddhi.
Yeah, so how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. How are you?
I am fine too. So Tushar, can you introduce yourself?
Yeah, sure. So, my name is Tushar Anand, and I'm currently pursuing my bachelor's degree in computer science and engineering from KIT University. And currently, I'm in my fourth year. And
Okay.
recently, I got the opportunity to intern with VMware. Uh, it
Yeah.
was it was on campus drive, and
Hmm.
my internship has started. And I'm right now I'm working from my home location, Ranchi, Jharkhand.
Oh, you belong from Ranchi?
Yeah.
Oh, me too, means I belong from Gumla.
Okay.
Okay, Tushar, what was your CGPA when you went for the drive?
Yeah. At that time, it was 9.25.
Okay, और eligibility criteria क्या था कंपनी का?
It was mentioned that 70% throughout the academic career and no backlogs.
Okay. So Tushar, how you are feeling working at VMware till now?
Yeah, it's great to work here. I'm working in R&D team, so it's challenging to work here. But yeah, every day I'm learning many things new. So
Hmm.
it's great to work here.
Okay. So Tushar, can you let us through the overall recruitment process, the rounds and the question they have asked?
Yeah, sure. So it was total of 5 rounds. The first round was online coding assessment, and the second round was technical round one, and then it was technical round two, and then it was managerial round, and the fifth and the final round was HR round. So the online coding assessment round was on HackerRank. There were three coding questions, and 90 minutes were given to solve those questions. And I remember that the questions were basically based on array data structure. And in my set, the first question was based on Fibonacci number, and the second question was prefix and suffix sum of an array,
अच्छा.
and third question was based on array. It was a algorithmic type.
Okay, so this time there was no quanti and verbal questions.
No, only coding questions in the first round.
Oh, okay. Then how many people went for the round, do you know, and how many got
Yeah.
selected?
For the coding assessment, 246 candidates were selected from our campus.
After the coding assessment?
No, for the coding assessment.
Okay,
After
okay.
that, 20 candidates were selected for the technical interviews.
Okay.
Yeah,
Then carry on. Your
yeah.
second.
So, in the technical round one, after the formal introduction, the interviewer asked me questions based on the project, which I mentioned in the resume. So he specifically asked me some questions on Java because I have used Java in the project. So he asked me some questions on Java fundamentals, and then he asked me OOPS principle, and then he asked me some questions on time complexities of few data structures, insertion and deletion, basically insertion and deletion operations. And then he asked me the difference between hash map and hash set, and what happens when we insert duplicate values in hash set. And some questions were based on data structures basically, and algorithms, small algorithms like insertion and deletion in linked list. How will you do when it's duplicate elements, and we don't want duplicate elements to be in their linked list?
Yeah.
So basically, it was focused on data structures and algorithms. And yeah, sure.
Okay.
He asked me a full code problem at last. So he gave me a link of a hacker and code pair where he told me to write the full code, and he tested at his end finally.
Means he run it and see whether the code.
Yeah, yeah. He told me to input some elements and verify it's working correctly.
Okay, so did that work for you?
Yeah, it's worked. First time it was not working because the question was based on linked list. So I
Okay.
got segmentation fault in the first attempt. So
Okay.
I was a little bit nervous. Then he told me to dry run my approach and see whether the code is lagging or it's breaking. So I did
Hmm.
that and I found my mistake.
So
So
you
yeah,
found the interviewer friendly and comfortable with.
yeah. And interview was very friendly.
ओके सो अभी इस बार सेकेंड राउंड क्लासरूम कोडिंग डिस्कशन राउंड नहीं था क्योंकि हमारे टाइम में था ये सेकेंड राउंड.
Yeah, I remember last time वो था पर इस बार वो नहीं था.
ओके ठीक है.
Yeah.
कैरी ऑन विद थर्ड राउंड.
So the technical round two, after the technical round one, for the technical round two, 9 candidates were selected out of 20. So in technical round two, yeah, it's same. Started with the same, the project introduction, the introduction, formal introduction and project. And after that, he asked me some questions specific to C++. He asked me about questions from classes and inheritance, and then he asked me runtime polymorphism, virtual functions, and what's the difference in between virtual function and pure virtual functions. And then he asked me some questions related to diamond path problem. Those questions were basically focused on C++. So it was not like that they were biased. I think that I have mentioned that I'm looking for C++ in the language. So they were asking some questions on this also. And then he asked me some questions on data structures and some OOPS principles he asked me. And then at last of the technical round two, he gave me two questions. Those questions were based on array data structures, and he gave me the code pair link of the HackerRank and told me to write the full code, full working code of the first question. Because there was no time left for the second question, so he told me to write the pseudo code and go through that pseudo code and explain my approach to him. That was in the second technical round too. And after
ओके.
that, it was a managerial round. The managerial round was focused on the introduction with my manager. So the manager told me about his role, briefly told me about his role in the VMware. And after that, it was HR round. So in the HR round, there were general questions. Tell me about yourself. And he asked me about what you know about VMware and some questions based on. He gave me some hypothetical situations and asked me
ओके.
about my opinions. So
Hmm.
I did that.
So your managerial round was with your manager.
Yeah, my manager was it was my manager. Now he is my manager.
Oh, great then.
Yeah.
For me, I remember my managerial round was a more technical round.
Okay. He asked me
Yeah.
some questions on C++, but it was a basic questions.
He was the manager who took my round, but now after entering to the company, he's a manager of my friend.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay. So yeah, so Tushar, what you will suggest to your coming juniors who would be applying to VMware?
Yeah. Okay. The first thing I would like to suggest that the pure focus should be on data structures and algorithms and some basic core concepts because I was asked some questions based on operating system too in the interviews. He asked me some differences between process and threads, and the questions were basically focused on process synchronization. So I would suggest to brush up the core subjects well, operating system, computer networks, and DBMS, and just focus on data structures and algorithms. There are many frameworks and skills you can learn. There are machine learning algorithms and many things to learn. But try to learn anything. You can learn anything, but try to make a project in that and just focus on core subjects and data structures and algorithms for cracking the good interviews.
Yeah, okay. So Tushar, I forgot to ask what was the profile for which VMware came?
Yeah, it was mentioned as intern only.
Okay, I mean
Yeah.
some specific intern, R&D, IT.
No, it was only mentioned as intern.
Okay, and what is your
Yeah.
job location?
Yeah,
Now
my job
you said
location is
it's home.
Bangalore. Right now I'm working from home, but it's Bangalore.
Okay, okay. And what is the package?
Yeah, the CTC is 19.5 LP.
Okay, okay. And during internship, what are they offering?
Yeah, internship during internship, it's they are offering a stipend of 40,000.
Okay,
Yeah.
same was for me.
Okay.
Yeah. Best of luck, Tushar. Then I
Yeah.
hope you get converted to full time.
Thank you, Dee.
Yeah, and meet me in the office.
Yeah. I'm
Yeah.
also excited to meet you at Bangalore office.
Yeah, see you. And very, very thank you for sharing your experience.
Thank you so much.
So this was Tushar. I hope you like whatever he shared. और अगर अच्छा लगा हो, अब तो तुम लोग को अच्छा लगना भी चाहिए बिकॉज अब तुम लोग के पास 2 VMware का एक्सपीरियंस है. सो आई वॉन्ट ऑल ऑफ यू दैट वेन एवर VMware कम टू योर कैंपस तुम लोग अच्छा परफॉर्म करो. सो ठीक है, लाइक कर दो जल्दी से, सब्सक्राइब कर दो, कमेंट कर दो, शेयर भी कर दो. ठीक है, बाय बाय, सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो.